If you've got this Motorola Edge 50 Fusion and you want to install the physical dual SIM card in there, we're going to show you how to insert or remove SIM card on your Motorola. Okay, before the process, for safety purpose, first we recommend you to power off your phone. Now just go ahead, grab your SIM ejector that came with the phone, or if you don't have it right now, you can use any object like a paper clip as well. Just be careful, that's all. Now first, what I need to do is just locate the SIM tray cutout at the bottom left corner of your phone. Now insert the SIM ejector to the hole, slightly push it so the tray pops out. Now gently take off the tray. Now grab your SIM and then place it into the box so the network provider's name is face down. Now maybe it's hard to see in there, but just make sure to place it so the side is placed towards the angle cutout of the SIM tray. You know what I mean. Now if you want to use dual SIM, you can follow the same process at the other side of the tray. Now when you're done, just put the SIM tray back into the hole once again. And if you want, you can double check to make sure it's inserted properly. Your work is done, just turn your Motorola back again, and that's it. So this is the way you can activate any SIM card on your Motorola Edge 50 Fusion. Thanks for watching.